This is my famous cranberry salad. I'm going to be making it for my family for the holidays and in the season of gathering. They're going to come gather here in my kitchen. You know, as I'm sharing my cranberry salad with you, I just really love to share my kitchen with you that Poulin built. You know, I'm so excited to be standing here in it. I'm a chef in the family, so I really love to cook. One of the things that I like to do too is share all the interior design things that I found at the marketplace with you. I did my table, it's all ready to go. Everything there is purchased from the marketplace, which you'll find very unique things that me and my niece Stephanie, we go to market and we find all these great things to bring to your homes. So you'll find this recipe in our blog on FullyDesignCenter.com. You can find all kinds of great tips there and also see, about what our whole business is. And I don't think I could do my kitchen without Poulin and the way their processes is. We take you all the way from design, all the way through installation. We have a wonderful team who helps put it all together. We'll get this cranberry salad rolling here. And one thing I love about this cranberry salad, it is made with fresh ingredients and it's real easy to put together. We have fresh cranberries, we have pomegranates and blackberries, celery, nuts. Any type of fruit you want to put in there, like apples and pears, is something that you can toss in there. So. And it's a whole bag of cranberries, and we're gonna chop the nuts, and then we just add in all the ingredients into here. Our apples and our pears. As I mix this up, I just think about function for a kitchen. It's so awesome to be able to have everything just really organized. One thing that I really love about my kitchen is it has stations. Having stations in the kitchen, that when you have a lot of people in here and I get ready to make turkey dinner, great to just have those spots that you go to gravitate in the kitchen. And one thing that the designers at Poulin really helped me with is the planning and the function of the kitchen. I just love it. I'm going to give it a test drive on Thanksgiving with all 25 of my family people, coming to see us and our friends. So I'm really excited about it. It's like gelled up all nice and ready to go here. So I hope you enjoy your cranberry salad, and I hope this brings you joy to your family and in your season of gathering.